Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michael Kuluva and today we're going to be doing a special unboxing of a new beauty product. Well, new to the US. It's been in Japan for over 100 years, and with this new brand that just got sent to me, which I'm so excited to show you guys, it is now available in most retailers. So after I show you this, you can go try it out for yourself or see what other people have to say about it. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, the like button, of course, and also comment below. I love to hear what you guys have to think about my videos. If you don't know already, all these videos are not edited. So as soon as I press the play button, the red button right there, that's when I go. I don't stop until I stop. So what you see is what you see. Okay, so let's dive in. First off, I have been receiving so many beauty and different products coming my way, and I've been really editing just for the best of the best. So when I really talk about that, I really have been not uploading like every single product I've been sent. I just did a new video a few weeks ago, which I hope you guys watched, for Black Wolf Nation, and it was so amazing. And they have such great products. But this is another one. It's called Kitao, and it's from Japan. And so far, the packaging looks amazing. They are sold in the US now. On their 100th anniversary, they started to retail in the US, which I think is such a cool story. Like, you know, the product's been around for 100 years in another country, and now you're marketing it now in a brand new country, but you know it's amazing. So let's dive into it. So I got sent 3 different pieces. I love the packaging. It is definitely, you know, it feels like eco-conscious. Like it's all done with cardboard. So this is the Kitao, and it says for all skin types, Matcha and Chia Cleansing Cream. Purifying and hydrating, made with organic matcha from Kyoto. So that's so amazing. Okay, so I love the packaging. It's very chic, clean. Right here, it says everything that's in it. It says how to use. Apply a small amount of cleansing cream to dry skin and massage to dissolve makeup and impurities. Remove the cream with a tissue or rinse thoroughly with warm water. So you could just like put it on and take it right on off. So that's amazing. The rich cleansing cream effectively dissolves makeup and oil, transforming into a soothing cleansing milk when water is added. Okay, awesome. Well, I'm gonna open it and let's see. So it's white inside. Ooh, the texture is really, really thick. And ooh, it's like a serum almost, it looks like, but thicker. You know what I really like about it is that it's not oily. Like, I don't feel like when I just put this off back into it's, look at that. Not oily at all. It just absorbed. Maybe my hands need this. No, but it looks amazing. I like the product. The smell is, there's no smell to it. It's odorless. So yeah, I don't smell anything to it, which is really cool because sometimes fragrances really bother me with some of these products. Okay, let's dive into the next one. So the next one is oh my gosh. So this is actually, okay, so I had a double take on it. You guys just saw that, right? Like I was opening, I was like, wait, what? It says it's a moisturizing and soothing essence lotion. But look, you guys, if you can see in here, it's see-through. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just like liquid in there. Like, how, what? It says this balancing essence softens and rehydrates the top layer of dry skin cells, delivering powerful antioxidants to the vital layers of your skin. Brightening acai, right? Is that how you say it? Helps enliven the complexion as quinoa helps balance oil and prevents clogged pores. How to use. After cleaning your face, dispense a quarter-size amount of essence into your palms and press evenly on the face and neck. Follow with serum and moisturizer. Well, I'm going to try it right now. Okay, you guys. So, oh my gosh, I can't even. Like, look, you guys, if you can see, it's just a little serum here. This one has a little bit of a scent I can smell, but it's not bad. It's actually really refreshing. I like it. Oh, it's so smooth, you guys. Like, look at that. Like, my skin absorbed this too. Ooh, I must be dry. But yeah, oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Made with organic matcha from Kyoto. I like it. So they're all made from Kyoto, Japan, which I think is great. The packaging is lovely. There is a lot in here. So if you guys are going to get like a 6 ounce something, you're getting a value worth. Like, that's amazing. Okay, there's one more in here that I'm like, I got to get to. Okay, so this is the Matcha and Chia Facial Cream. Oh, so this is for firming and revitalization. Okay, so I can put some of this around my eyes. It says for all skin types, which is great. It really does match with all of the other packaging. I'm gonna move this box now, since we don't need it. With all the other packaging here. So you guys can see. Let's see here. So we have all of these gorgeous little goodies, right? Like, look how cute they all are together. Like, look. I love the packaging. I'm like balancing everything. Okay. My balancing act here. How does that work? Okay, so this has the daily face cream, quenches dryness while replenishing the skin. Well, that's exactly what my skin is saying to me. It's that it's so dry, it's just soaking up everything, apparently. So, it helps maintain skin moisture while balancing oil throughout the day. How to use. After cleansing and toning, apply a small amount of cream and gently massage your face. Okay, so before I did this video, I actually did just take a shower. I like to do my little facial routine that I do. So when I do that, and I do these videos, I'm like ready on point. So I probably forgot to mention that at the beginning of my video, but I just want to let you guys know that like my face has been cleansed. There's nothing on it right now. So when I add this on. Okay. Now we're talking about fragrances again. Okay. This smells amazing. Have you guys ever smelled creme de la mer and you're just like, okay, I love this, I love it, but the smell is just like, what? What is that smell? This has a sweetness to it. Must be that matcha. I can smell it in this one. Yes, firming and revitalizing. Yes, antioxidant, anti-aging. Let's put some on now. So I'm gonna put some around my eyes here. Just a little. I probably just put too much right then. I'm just going to close my eyes. Put it around. I'll put it around over here too, on both sides. Okay. Now I'm not sure how fast this works, but I am down to try anything that is anti-aging or firming. Because if these people, oh, you guys, I totally missed it. There's a little spoon here to do it. You just need like a little dab like this. It's like caviar for your face. It's like how La Mer. Oh, I love this. Oh, I totally missed it, you guys. I'm so sorry. So you're supposed to put a little dab, which I did. Thank God. I probably did a little too much, but you guys can put a little bit less. But oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Okay, there's just a little bit on my hands, which I'm gonna put. I'm just gonna put it on my face. And I'll put it on my forehead too. Okay. You don't want to waste any. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, my skin just soaked it up. Like, I can't even believe it. Like, just soaked it up. Oh, my goodness. Okay, you guys. So, that was amazing. I am, like, totally hooked. Kitao since 1919 from Kyoto. Like, oh, my goodness. I can't even. Like, I never thought like matcha and all this like would be included into all of these beauty products, but you really can smell it with that little just like a hint of that sweetness. And I know it's that matcha. I definitely know it's that matcha. So you guys, I am in love with this brand. Again, Kitao. You guys can get it everywhere. Just go online. They have Instagram, which is awesome, Kitao Matcha. And you can find all their amazing products. So, I hope you guys have a great day and stay tuned for more videos from me. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook if you are not already. I love adding to my stories every day if I'm not on YouTube. So I'm always somewhere on social media. And then on top of it, make sure to follow my clothing brand, Tumblr and Tipsy. Yeah, tumblerandtipsy.com, and you can shop our latest spring-summer 2021 collection. So again, thank you guys for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. Catch me next time on my next beauty vlog of, I don't know what. We'll see. I have a lot being sent in, and we gotta edit. We gotta edit, cut, and then we'll paste it to you guys. All right, everyone. I'm Michael Kuluva again, and thanks for tuning in. Bye.